Radar still quiet across the valley this afternoon. As we talked yesterday, the best chance for showers and thunderstorms is tonight. And so far that's holding to be true. There's nothing out here right now, but push back just a little bit. You see a few showers just to the north of us. And then the last hour or so, we've seen some showers and thunder showers popping up over in the mountains to the southwest. And with the movement of all of this, I think that's the first place we'll see stuff maybe come out of the mountains and make their way up into the western part of the valley. And then off to the northwest, the front, which is still north of Laredo, could push some stuff down in this direction late tonight and during the early morning hours. So this is what it looks like. This is high resolution Future Track. First of all, the initialization, what it shows right now is a lot more active than what it really is. This stuff's not here yet. These guys aren't here yet. This is actually out there. So let's go forward now, remembering that that's a non-entity. So that's suggesting that this may not be forming yet, at least not yet. We have to watch for it. Slight possibility of something this evening. Better chance, though, as we go through the later hours. This is 2 o'clock in the morning. Here comes the front working its way in. Ahead of the front, showers and perhaps some thunderstorms develop as that front goes through. Potential for showers and thunderstorms all the way to the coast. Drier air comes in behind the front, and then tomorrow by 9 o'clock in the morning, we're back to partly to mostly sunny skies, and it stays dry all day tomorrow. Our rain threat tomorrow, our rain chance tomorrow is early with the front pre-dawn and then drying out behind that. So the timing of this stuff, we're talking, this evening into late tonight, early tomorrow, and then we're done with it. And Friday looks like a good day as well. This is the bigger picture, and there's been all kinds of big time rain in southeast Texas. The threat has moved out of San Antonio. They were hit hard this morning. San Marcos had some very heavy rain this morning, caused some flooding there. We told you about the hail last night in Laredo. So now we watch down here, and we watch right along the front itself for things to develop. It's hard to tell you exactly when until we actually see it. We've got to wait for it to kind of form, but the odds are stuff will form at some point and move into the region. We're under a slight risk for severe thunderstorms for tonight into early tomorrow. And again, as we've talked about since yesterday, that means scattered severe thunderstorms are possible. It doesn't mean a line of severe weather. Everybody gets hit hard. That's not the way it works. It's scattered stuff. A line may come through, but the severe stuff will be isolated within that line, short-lived and not widespread. So just isolated, strong thunderstorms, maybe a severe one or two comes through. The problem is we don't know if that happens exactly where that will happen. And if it does, you can end up with strong winds and even the possibility of some large hail. I would suggest probably the best chance will be in the western part of the valley for anything like that because the dynamics are the best there. But by the time we get to tomorrow, it all moves out and we dry out again. Another front kind of falls apart, but it does send some slightly cooler air in just in time for Friday and the weekend. High pressure builds east, and then by Monday, another front comes down from the north, has an impact on us once again. So showers, couple of thunderstorms, some possibly severe, not all, but some. 68 for your low. Winds turn around to the northwest, and then tomorrow back up to 90 with about a 20% chance of something pre-dawn, and then the clouds decrease. We end up with sunshine. Now the 7-day, 90, 86, 88. Good Friday looks beautiful, 86 for a high. Saturday morning, a low of 60, back to 88. Easter Sunday, after a cool start, up to 89. Isolated thunderstorm on Monday with the next front in the 80s for next week. We'll keep it on the radar and have an update for you a little bit later in the newscast.